Hey everyone, welcome back to Hack Your Day. I'm so excited to be here with you for our 5th video. You've been absolutely amazing with your support, and it's because of you that this channel keeps growing. We've covered daily shortcuts, money-saving tips, health boosts, tech tricks, and now we're tackling something we all struggle with, staying organized. Today, I've got 5 organization hacks to simplify your life in 2025. These are easy, practical ways to get your space, time, and mind in order without breaking a sweat. Why organization? Because clutter's a silent killer. The average American spends 2-5 days a year looking for lost stuff, and that's time we could use for fun, work, or just chilling. A messy space means a messy head. And in 2025, we're all about keeping it simple. These hacks aren't about fancy planners or expensive storage. They're real-life fixes I've used myself, picked up from friends, and backed by a little research. Whether you're drowning in laundry or buried in emails, I've got something to help you out. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. We're dropping hacks like this every week to make your life smoother. Loved our tech hacks last time? Tell me your favorite in the comments. I'm always reading them. Alright, let's cut the chaos and get organized. Here's hack number 1 to kickstart your 2025. Hack number 1. The 1-minute declutter rule. Ever walk into a room and feel overwhelmed by stuff everywhere, clothes on the floor, dishes in the sink, papers all over? Studies show clutter stresses out 80% of us. But this hack's a game changer. It's about tackling tiny messes in 1 minute flat, so they don't pile up into a disaster. Here's how it works. Every time you see something out of place, a sock, a coupe, a random pen, if it takes less than a minute to fix, do it right then. Drop the sock in the hamper, rinse the cup, put the pen back. Bam! Done. I started this a month ago. My kitchen counter went from a war zone to clean in a week, just by chipping away. It's not about big cleanups, it's 60-second wins that add up. Experts say this cuts daily mess by 30% over time. My roommate tried it. He's a slob, no offense, and even he's keeping the living room decent now. It's like a habit. After a week, you don't even think about it. Next time you spot a small mess, don't walk past. Hit it in a minute, and watch your space transform. Tell me how many 1-minute fixes you do this week in the comments. Hack number 2. The 3-bin laundry system. Laundry's a nightmare. The average American does 8 loads a month, and it's always a mountain by the time we start. This hack's about splitting it up so it's never overwhelming, and you're not digging through a pile for that one shirt you need. Here's the setup. Grab 3 cheap bins. I got mine for $5 each at Dollar Tree. Label them whites, colors, darks. Toss your dirty stuff straight in the right bin, no sorting later. When one's full, wash it. Takes 5 minutes to start, not an hour of prep. I've been doing this for 2 months. No more laundry day dread. Just small, quick loads. It cuts sorting time by 50%, and I'm never out of clean socks. My friend Jake tried it. He's got kids. Laundry's insane, and he says it's halved his weekend chore time. Pro tip? Keep the bins near your hamper so it's effortless. Set this up tonight. 3 bins. 3 labels, and say goodbye to laundry chaos. Drop a comment if it saves your socks too. Hack number 3. The 5-minute night reset. Ever wake up to a sink full of dishes, or a desk buried in papers, and it just ruins your morning? This hack's about spending 5 minutes before bed to reset your space, so you start every day fresh and stress-free. It's a total mood lifter. Here's the routine. Set a 5-minute timer. I use my phone and hit the hotspots. Clear the kitchen counter. Toss trash. Straighten your desk, fluff the couch pillows, whatever's bugging you. I do this every night, takes 300 seconds, and my mornings are 10 times calmer. Studies say a tidy space cuts morning stress by 20%. I believe it, because I'm not tripping over junk anymore. My sister tried it. She's a mom. House is a circus, and she says it's like magic for her mornings. Pro tip. Play a song you love. 5 minutes flies by. Start tonight. Set that timer. Reset your space, and wake up to a win. Tell me how it feels in the comments. Hack number 4. The digital to-do list trick. Paper lists get lost, forgotten, or covered in coffee stains. 70% of Americans say they miss tasks because of bad systems. This hack's about using your phone to organize your day in 5 minutes, so nothing slips through the cracks. Here's how. Download a free app. I use Google Keep, but Todoist works too. Every morning, spend 5 minutes typing your top 3 tasks. Pay bill, call mom. Buy milk, set reminders if you want. Check them off as you go. Feels so good. I've been doing this for a year. Went from forgetting half my day to nailing 90% of it. It syncs to your laptop too. so you're always on track. My coworker Alex tried it. He's a scatterbrain, and he's hit every deadline this month. Pro tip: keep it short, 3 to 5 tasks max, or it's overwhelming. Download an app today, list your tomorrow, and crush it. You'll feel like a productivity boss. Hack number 5, the cable and charger fix. Tangled cords, missing chargers. It's a tech nightmare, and we've all spent 10 minutes untangling a mess just to plug in. This hack's about organizing your cables in 10 minutes so they're always where you need them. Here's the plan. Grab some $1 zip ties or twist ties from Dollar Tree. I got a pack of 20. Bundle each cable, phone charger, laptop cord, and label them with a marker or tape. Phone? Tveh. Hook them on a $5 adhesive strip under your desk or nightstand. I did this, went from a cable jungle to total order, and I save 5 minutes every time I plug in. My dad tried it, he's got cords everywhere, and he's obsessed with how neat it is now. Pro tip: keep an extra charger in your bag, $5 on Amazon, so you're never hunting. Do this weekend. Tie, label, stick, and banish cable chaos for good. And there you have it. 5 organization hacks to simplify your life in 2025. Quick rundown. Declutter in 1 minute. Split laundry into 3 bins. Reset at night. List your to-dos digitally, and fix those cables. These aren't just tips, they're your secret weapons to cut chaos, save time, and feel in control every day. And there you have it. 5 organization hacks to simplify your life in 2025. Quick rundown. Declutter in 1 minute. Split laundry into 3 bins. Reset at night. List your to-dos digitally, and fix those cables. These aren't just tips, they're your secret weapons to cut chaos, save time, and feel in control every day.